Welcome to a day in the life at the UT Computer Science Summer Academies. You wake up in your dorm on the UT Austin campus and head to breakfast at the dining hall. Next, you head to the GDC and dive into fun, hands-on lessons and activities led by industry experts and our fantastic UT professors. After a couple of hours, it's time for lunch. Then it's time to get back to work. Hit the computer lab for more exciting hands-on learning and project teamwork with your peers and faculty. After a day filled with learning and breakthroughs, gather around with your fellow Academy members for your last meal of the day. Wait up, it's time for some nighttime fun. Whether it's bowling, sports, or gaming, it's all about bonding and having a blast with your Summer Academy crew. Curfew's calling, time to hit the hay and recharge for another epic day. We know you're ready to experience all of this. Want to enroll? The following academies are available: Academy for Game Development, Academy for iOS App Development, Academy for Machine Learning, and the Academy for Robotics.